Good morning guys, today we've got here Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So once your device stuck for some unknown reason, the best way to wake it up and to unfroze it is to tap on the power button along with the volume down button. Tap and hold, keep holding, still hold till you see the logo. Here it is. So now you can remove fingers from both buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. Just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.